my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? Back with another one. As you can see, we got some cleaning going on of the engine parts. I'm just pretty much re-dipping everything, getting it all cleaned up and so forth and so on. But everything's looking pretty good, as you can see. As we continue to do that, went ahead and bought the ball hone, flex hone or whatever. My boy Loco has sent me a damn link to get one on eBay, but I dragged my feet, and then it was gone. And then I couldn't find it no more, so I had to order from work. I ain't no thing, you know what I'm saying? Price was probably about around the same anyway, so got that home, so we can hone out the block. You also see we got some goodies. So Cortez said that we should bathe the block or whatever. Something about cleaning out the passages and something. Since we're not going machine shop, and it's kind of like a YOLO build, and YOLO, here we go. So we finna get ready. Before we actually hone it, we're gonna take the block, fill this thing up here with a solution. I think he said vinegar and some more shit, I don't know. I'll record snippets of it when we do it, or you can just follow it on Instagram or whatever, or you'll see it after it's done. So yeah, once that's cleaned up, then we can pretty much start assembling all this back together to put in that block. And then that block will probably I'm going to make sure that the rings are gapped on this one for a turbo, even though I'm kind of sure that it's going to be even though I'm pretty sure that the C10 is going to get the turbo, and I probably won't pull that engine out of there to go turbo. But in the event that that one would fail, then I have this one ready for turbo, right? Makes sense? Okay, cool. If it do, cool. If it don't, then that's cool too. Guess what? But yeah, all that over there situated. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, so we got, other than that, as a new goodie, we also got some paint. Pretty much the paint that Cortez had painted the C10 with originally. He gave me like enough to, to touch up or do another door, or just for records, so I know exactly what it is that I'm working with. You can also see here he graced and gave us a power steering pump. So that power steering pump will go on that engine. But as you know, that was just a bare engine. That one over there was just a bare engine, not two, I believe. No accessories. So that was something that we was gonna have to get as well. So power steering pump. Shout out to Cortez for that. Then Cortez also dropped, gave me this throttle body. It was all cleaned up, some water pump bolts, crossover pipe. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much stuff that he wasn't gonna use no more. Also blessed us with some these little short tube headers or manifolds, whatever you want to call them. Block huggers, so we can put those on the engine and put it in whatever it is that we're gonna need. I guess we'll only need one technically. I don't know. I don't know. Y'all know me. Y'all know me. And then these was a set of valve stems, also for Cortez. So he pretty much, you know, just had some extra stuff, man. You know that I'll be over here grinding and hustling, and you know, working on the flip side. So you know, he just wanted to bless me with a couple things, man. And as always, I appreciate his support. Cortez is a real good dude. Glad to have him as a friend. YouTube is blessed to have him. That's how, like I said, that's how we met. You know, not through YouTube, but like in person. And then I told him I did YouTube. And I think he told me that he used to watch me, or, you know, watch some of the people that I watch or something like that. And then, you know, DIY gang. And it's been on and rocking ever since. So, yes, sir. So shout out to Cortez, dropping those things off. Let me show y'all this paint. Do I want to show y'all my paint color? I don't know if I want to show y'all my paint color. It ain't a big secret. That one's kind of a secret because that's for the box, and I don't want nobody to have that one. This one, however, is the Black Crystal Ruby base coat from Automotive Finishes, and then we got the reducer. Yeah, that's what that beautiful color there is. But yeah, so shout out to Cortez for, like I said, everything that you've done. I really appreciate it. And know that information, you know, stuff is going forward. As I share, you know, my knowledge with the world, man. Like I said, trying to help somebody. You know what I'm saying? Trying to help somebody figure out how to do this on their own. That's the mission. That's the motto for this year. So, shit. Yeah, so I'm looking forward. Go ahead and sinking this, getting this cleaned up so we can start reassembling this engine to put back off in air. Talked with one of my coworkers at work. He said him or his roommate might want the block. Cool, come get it. And then that'll get that block out the way there. And I can tank and reassemble that there. And then that pretty much just kind of leaves this one engine over here, which will eventually find its way into somebody's home. Unless I put it in something, so. But what would I put it in? Who knows? Maybe one day I'll find the beloved. One day I will find my beloved. Find my LS Broham. But till then, LS Chevrolet 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, hustle don't stop, grind don't stop. Gone.